Warcraft 3, everybody. Isn't that a thing? Isn't that something I'm doing currently? I'm in the middle of currently doing. We just finished the Undead campaign, Path of the Damned, and as you can see, we have the Orcs, the invasion of Kalimdor. I take offense to the term invasion, because it makes it sound like the Orcs just kind of made it their own. I don't know, it's a bit iffy. Anyway, I don't know why I'm thinking about it. Landfall, no video to start us off with. Let's do it. Oh, there's wyverns in the background. Did you guys see that? It's crazy. Alright, following the mysterious prophet's instructions, Thrall led the horde across the Great Sea. Now, after weeks of traversing the raging seas, the Orcish horde has landed upon the savage shores of Kalimdor, with their stolen ships broken and drowned. I guess ships, I mean, they sink. I don't know if they drowned. The orcs cautiously venture inland, wary of the unseen dangers lurking within the crags of the desolate land. I mentioned this in the end of my last stream. This is the Barrens. And this is, you can tell, yeah, Ashenvale Forest is north. I'm pointing like a jackass. Ashenvale Forest, Stone Talon Peaks, yeah. This is totally like the Barrens you see in World of Warcraft. I don't remember Mulgore, though. I thought Mulgore was more south. It's definitely not Quillbores. I don't remember there being that many harpies. But Thrall's landing site... shoot. Alright, we're doing it already. It's happening. It's happening, guys. Just make sure I got the right one open. Alright, we got the WoW Wiki open. I'm sorry. I know. Alright. The Barrens. I mean, this is also... I find this fascinating because... Oh, wait, it's split up now, isn't it? Shit. Do we have a pre-Cataclysm Barrens? Is this pre-Cataclysm? No. Is this southern? Oh, actually, you know where it looks like it is. I can't see it, though. Can you guys see that? I'm looking at my screen, not what you guys are seeing. Okay. Here we go. It looks like it might be Ratchet. That's where I think it is, but it might be Northwatch Hold. But also, there's a big old Durotar here. And there's like a thing of mountains. Yeah, there's Mulgore. I don't know why I'm being so nerdy about it. Yeah, it's like right where Ratchet is. It's really odd. Wailing Caverns right across. So basically where Thrall landed was in Ratchet, essentially. That's what I'm seeing. I mean, it's as if I would make that much of a deal out of figuring it out, because, you know, they rewrite their lore, like, at the drop of a hat nowadays. For all we know, the new landing spot is... I don't know, Razor Hill. In the middle of the land.
War Chief, our ship sustained heavy damage when we passed through the raging maelstrom. It's unsalvageable.
Maelstrom.
I knew it. Can we confirm our location? Is this Kalimdor? We traveled due west as you instructed. This should be it. Very well. Has there been
where else are we gonna land?
Gromhillscream or the other ships? No, War Chief. Not since we got separated. Prepare to move out. If our comrades did make it here, we should be able to find them along the coast. The spirits are restless.
Alrighty, Thrall.
Let's get
hey! Did he have that scroll of healing before? I'm not sure.
Lokrigar, no god.
Doesn't matter. C, Chain Lightning? Okay. I think is what I gave. Oh no, you have to get Chain Lightning.
Yeah.
Tutorial. That was it.
Crates for valuable supplies.
Hey, look at that. Now you tell me boxes are breakable and I can get items from them.
Yes.
God. Imagine all that loot I was missing out on if I didn't know that already.
Yes.
There it is. Alright.
I am
moving on.
the War Chief.
Ooh, what's down here? Not where I have to go, is it?
Dabu.
Can I go? Okay. It's a tight
For
squeeze,
honor.
guys.
Yes.
We can do it. If the pigs
For
can do it,
honor.
we can do it.
Yes.
Oh, this looks like where I'm supposed to be.
Double. Yes.
Damn.
For honor.
Can't chain
Double.
lightning dragons. What? What dragons are immune to magic? Where am I getting that mixed up with? I could have sworn you couldn't hit dragons with magic in this game.
Double.
Oh. There we go.
For
Ring of
honor.
Protection 1.
Huh? Let's get on.
yeah.
What you want me to do?
Get the hell out of my way. There
the
you go.
War Chief. Dabu. Yes. Dabu.
Okay. So that was just for a Ring of Protection 1.
Let's get
Huh.
on.
Yeah.
Look regard.
Don't know if that was exactly
This is
worth
one
it.
of our ships, War Chief. It must have been smashed against the rocks in the storm.
And there's dead bodies. Oh god.
Yes.
There's more dead bodies.
A great battle took place here. The clay is red with fresh blood. Is there nothing in this land but dust and carnage?
Oh, Thrall.
Yes.
You're such a hippie.
For honor.
I think they're leading me that way. I want to go this way.
Dabu.
Yes. Yes, kill the Murlocs. Huh, I gotta be
Master?
careful. I don't have healers. Or,
Let's get on.
necromancers.
For honor. For doom hammer.
Oh, come on, guys. Oh, hey.
I am the war. Dabu.
There we go.
Let's get on. Yes.
By necromancers,
For
I mean, that one spell. I just realized, yeah,
Double.
necromancers don't heal. What am I thinking? We don't have priests, and we don't have healing ability.
Yes.
I mean, we just don't have a healing ability in general, because Arthas
For honor.
was able to heal.
Dabu.
Necromancers, the hell?
Dabu.
Wait.
Yes. Dabu.
Shoot, where do I want to go? This way?
Yes.
I know there's too many ways. It is like the Barrens. It's so open.
Those pig creatures are unlike
Oh.
anything I've ever seen before.
Let's kill them.
At least they're prettier than the humans.
Lol.
The spirits are restless.
Yeah, I really need a...
For
I
honor.
think that grunt was insinuating he was fucking Skullbore. Interesting, interesting.
Let's get on with it.
Orcs do have an affinity for pigs. Oh shit!
The spirits are restless.
Oh, do I have a... I do have a healing ward, but is it worth it just for... Yeah. I need to get rid of these.
Yes.
Oh, look, I got more anyway. God damn it.
Look regard, no
Fuck.
god.
Urgh.
Dabu.
Yeah, it's making
What
up
you
for the
want me
fact
to
that I don't have
Let's
Arthas
get
to heal
on.
my own units with. We got all these scroll of healing, 5 healing wards. Goodness gracious. Should I just...
The spirits
You
are
catch up with
restless.
us
For honor.
when you're done.
What?
God, you heal so slow.
Let's get on with it.
There's more orcs down here. Oh shit. Mayday, I need everybody.
For honor.
I need all of yous. Actually, not that bad. Like micro too, I just gotten really lazy at doing that.
Look regard, no god.
Mana. Oh my god. I need it.
Yeah.
How much does chain light? 120? And I only have 285? I can't even do 2 chain lightnings at once?
Dabu.
Wait, yeah I can.
Thanks for
What?
saving us, man.
I
We
can only
should
do
hurry.
2 chain lightnings
The
at
pigmen
once.
said there were other ships nearby.
I feel like I want
Let's get on with
this
it.
being hotkey. 2.
For honor.
Can I destroy that? No.
Yes.
Should I destroy these?
None will survive.
I think they'll leave something here for me. Maybe. I'm about to find out. God damn it.
Your time has come.
Ah! That was
For
a waste of
honor.
time.
Yes.
Hoi. Hey, where are they spit roasting? Oh, what the? They're eating their own. friggin' quill boars roasting a pig.
Dabu.
It's fucked up, man. These guys are truly monsters.
Yes. For honor.
Gotta love how we're just immediately hostile to everything here.
For honor.
Yeah, I want to go up because map's more horizontal than
For
vertical.
Doomhammer.
As in, yeah, I want to get going. Oh, yeah, I want to explore everything before moving on with the quest.
None will survive.
Also, is there a side quest? There's not. Okay.
Yes.
Or optional quest. Oh,
Those hideous creatures have the bodies of horses. Loktar Ogar!
say nothing about this random bull dude in the middle. Just the
Yes.
hideous horseman. Or are we picking sides already? Should have just left that be.
Yes.
I mean, I know the orcs aren't like Starfleet or anything like that, but still. Why do you want to get
For
involved so
honor.
quickly in unknown land?
Yes.
Hey guys, there's a fight. Let's finish it. Just pick a side and finish it. Could have had the centaurs join us. Would have been a completely different
Yes.
story.
For honor.
I think that's everything over here.
Lobrigar. The horsemen are slaughtering those bull creatures. I led us here to escape senseless conflict. Now it seems we're surrounded by it.
Alright, so
Lobrigar.
then going back on my whole rant, we joined sides with Tauren because they were losing the fight to the centaurs. I mean, not that the, Tauren were defenseless. They weren't defenseless. They were fighting back, but they're in a losing battle. I don't know. Defenseless, half man, half bull. so meek and defenseless. I don't know why I'm not dropping the subject. It's fascinating to me now.
Yes. For honor.
So this would be, if this is a shoreline, that's really odd that it showed us hitting the west of or the east of a landmass, but we have the whole ocean to our south.
Thrumka, War Chief. We knew you'd find us. Thrumka, warrior. I'm glad you're all safe. Were you part of Hillscream's group? No, War Chief. We were separated in the storm. We only just arrived.
He drew the short end of who's gonna get eaten first stick. That's why he was so excited we got here.
For honor. For honor.
I wonder if it's possible. I mean, it wasn't possible there. I wonder if I just drop a whole bunch of healing wards at the right time. Like, knew ahead of time, like, when I was gonna come across the torrent. I wonder if you could save one.
Yes.
What would happen then? Or just by fluke. Oh, wait. No, I don't want to be here. I want to go here. This is progress. Yeah. Wait. No, it isn't. What? This is progress. Why did it show me this spot on the map? I'll discover where the ships have landed. I'm not going to discover that. Oh, shit. Toto. I'm not going to discover that inland, so I think I'm actually going towards progress.
The spirits are restless.
Alright, what do you got? Potion of mana. Hallelujah.
I am the
It's like they knew that I have shit all for magic.
Lokrigar no god.
2 chain lightnings. What kind of garbage is that? Alright, you guys are good. Yeah, let's go up. Yeah, but this is... this is gonna send us back down, maybe?
Yes.
But, I don't know. I'm just gonna keep going this way. And hope to hell that I'm not missing out on some extra EXP. That's just so important.
Yes.
Don't ask why.
Yes.
You guys do a dance.
Master.
Do the blood rain dance.
Master. What do you want? The spirits are restless.
Hey, what do you guys
For
have?
honor.
You guys are buffed.
Where you want me go?
They got fairy fired.
I am the war chief.
Scroll the beasts.
The spirits are
Should just be
restless.
using these.
Dabu.
Some have a cool boar fight. Okay, yeah, here we go. Now I go up this way.
For honor.
Aren't you guys glad I checked? No?
Yes. Dabu. For honor.
Oh,
The horsemen look as if they're dressed for war. Yes.
we can take it on. We got this.
For honor. Dabu.
Pretty sure there's not that many where we're going.
Dabu.
Oh, hello.
Yes.
Down with health. Okay. Yeah, they really, really want to make sure that you don't die in this mission. Eh. Come on, guys. Yeah. That's a healing word. Take the healing word. Also, protect Thrall. He's dying.
Your time
He's not near the fountain. There we go.
Yes.
Get in there, guys.
What you want me to do?
You scout out, because
You got it, man.
why not?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know.
Anything you want. Yeah.
Okay, now you're just freaking me out.
Ah. Yeah.
Well,
Look, regard.
yeah, no, we got time. I was gonna say, while we're waiting, I could check on
Dabu.
the extra dialogues, but it's healed enough. Oh, actually, he's completely healed. Never mind.
For honor.
That would take longer.
Yes.
Usually everything goes so slow in this game.
Dabu.
Building units, killing other units, destroying buildings.
Yes.
Fuck. That'll just take so
For
long.
honor.
Also, what the hell? Holy crap.
None will survive.
Quite the mountain. Should we use the scroll of protection? No. Oh, dang it.
Doom hammer.
Ah!
Huh?
Throwing knives at me.
I am the
Nice. Oops. Oh. I want Feral Spirit, which is T. Interesting.
Let's get on with it.
Feral Spirit is the best.
For honor.
Wand of Lightning Shield.
Inventory is full.
I really don't want the Ring of Protection.
Dabu.
Oh my god. Allows the hero to cast Lightning Shield on a target unit. Oh.
The
I'm not gonna do
spirits
that
are
either.
restless.
Seems way too micromanagey.
Dabu.
I'm not all about that, unfortunately.
For honor.
I'm aware it's the name of the game, guys, but I just can't do it.
Dabu.
Alright, let's move inland again so
For
we don't miss
honor.
any extra gubbins.
Yes.
How about Feral Spirit is only 75, that's more like it.
What do you want?
No, I like using Chain Lightning
Look,
more.
regard.
Manual health.
Yes. I am the war chief.
Let's do it.
None will survive.
Do it, ladies. You guys head on out. See what you can see.
The spirits.
Be my eyes, wolf. Let your wolf eyes see.
Look, regard, no come.
Nope.
For honor.
Dick all. Okay. Good enough. Well done. Well done, my mighty wolves.
Let's get
My
on.
mighty wolf companions now.
War chief. Well met, warrior. Has there
Whoa!
been any sign of...
The horsemen are charging. Defend yourselves.
Troll just turned Scottish.
Loktar!
Got a Scottish troll in my army.
Dabu.
That are charging. Ah, fuck.
I am Cairn, chief of
Kill it. It's a
Bloodless
random
Forest.
thing.
You greenskins fight with both savagery and valor. I am intrigued. I am Thrall, and these are my brethren, the orcs. We've come seeking the destiny promised to us.
Seeking destiny? It will find you in time, young one. However, there is an oracle far to the north which might be able to...
North? But there's an army of the horsemen marching north.
What? No. My village is in danger.
I must know more about this oracle. Follow them. Protect Cairn at all costs. I am...
Cairn is the best. I like Cairn. In fact, I think he could probably defend
Let's
himself.
get on with it.
Man, Tauren are so cool.
For honor.
Oddly enough, I've
Yes.
rarely ever made a Tauren character in WoW. I think I made one.
For honor.
But I hated that Tauren Hunter used a gun. Because
For
I was
honor.
like, wouldn't they use bows by default? Like, you'd think.
For honor.
You'd think Tauren would use bows if they're hunters, but he had a gun.
Dabu. Yes.
I don't know. Didn't sit well with me. So I never played as him.
Dabu. Yes.
Oh my god, you guys are all damaged up too?
For honor.
No, survive you stupid Tauren. This game starts you off thinking the Tauren are worthless. It's always in the red. Where?
For
We've
honor.
arrived in time. The next wave is advancing.
Oh hey, I picked the perfect spot to place this one.
Yes.
Let's go and let's dire wolves.
Let's
Like dire wolves are, right? They're like regular wolves. More dire. Also they're not spirit wolves. Shit!
Dabu. Yes.
Yes.
Dabu.
Look, Naras! Here they come again.
Yes. I'll put some. I'm gonna shield these stupid Tauren up there. That's how I'm gonna roll. Use all your mana. Oh, I lost the troll. Oh, I lost the spirit wolf. He's my only friend. Oh, I lost the other spirit wolf. He's my other only friend. Should I use this other? I like the
Yes.
healing wards. I kind of want to hang on to them.
Master?
Turns out.
Ah,
Shit.
they've brought a champion with them this time.
Good on ya. Ah! I really don't know what's going on. Kind of looking at my hotbar. Figuring out what's low. Hey, why aren't we killing the big baddie over here? Don't kill the ads. Kill the big baddie. Yeah, dang it. There you go. Bam. Ooh. I didn't drop it.
For Doom Hammer!
Yeah, Karen's got this.
Yes. For honor.
Yes.
Your tribe is safe, old one.
Thanks to you, young war chief. But the centaur drove off all the game in this region, and I cannot allow my people to starve. Soon we must head north to the verdant grasslands of Mulgore.
And you fear the marauders will overtake you.
Yes. The devil's speed cannot be matched upon the plains.
Well, if you tell us how to reach the oracle you spoke of, then my brethren and I will escort you on your march.
I am intrigued by you and your people, young thrall. You are more than welcome to join us.
Blizzard, I have a question. Excuse me. Well, if Cairn's village was in the Barrens, then how come the main Tauren place is south of the Barrens in Thunderbluff? And also, if Cairn wanted to go north to Ashenvale, how come there's no Tauren settlements in Ashenvale in World of Warcraft?